Flying cars?
Highways in the sky, and travel without traffic. What if the future of transportation is closer than we think? Welcome to the next evolution of human mobility. Autonomous drone taxis soaring above megacities, where your ride lifts off vertically, navigated by AI, safer than any driver on the road. Magnetic hover highways. Ultra-fast travel that floats on air, slicing through the skyline without a single wheel turning. Rooftop eVTOL hubs. Just step into an aircraft, and you're across the city in minutes. And holographic navigation systems, ensuring every route in the sky stays perfectly synchronized. No jams, no limits, only possibilities. The future of transportation is already taking off. Would you ride one of these? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more visions of tomorrow.